Hello, I think it's like Facebook is new and it's changing, but I think I'm live. Yes, it's always not showing that you're live, but you're live at the beginning. So, hi everyone, and welcome to our weekly live training. I'm kind of like doing a lot of things at the moment, as you have may seen. We are going on a trip and in fact, yesterday we changed all our plans. We were supposed to go to like around Valencia, and at the end we are going to the south of Spain to be with an amazing family, so that our like daughter can be with other kids in a community, and we cannot wait. So we were not sure about this possibility, and we got the reply yesterday, so we changed our plans and we are going there. And wow, my God, we have so many things to do. In fact, I know that many you are also doing this. You are packing, so we have so many things to pack, and we are like selling some stuff from our home that we don't need anymore. So many things, but I said that I will go live today in the group, so here I am. Um, I really want, first of all, you to tell me if you're watching, please put like hashtag live. If you're watching live, if you're watching the replay, put hashtag replay and tell me where you're watching from. We have so many new members for the past couple of days. I'm very excited to see that so many people want to travel more and have the, like this wanderlust, because this is really why I created this group and why I decided to become a coach for people who have a online coaching business or who want to have an online coaching business and who want to travel the world with their kids. So this is why I created it, and I'm really happy to see that there is so much interest around this. So tell us where you're watching from and how is your day going? How was your week? As I said, mine was like it's a bit busy, like so many things to do, but it's very exciting, so I will not complain. So let's dive into the subject, huh? 3 things to do today to earn more money in your business and to travel more whenever you can. I have to say that, as you say, we are traveling, like this is a travel which is very different from what we are doing usually each winter, or like now we are just fall, but we are starting earlier and earlier. At the beginning, we are doing it 3 months. Now we like 3 months a year, like for winter we are going, and now we are extending and extending. So we don't even know if we will come back to Valencia at some point or if we will just continue traveling. But before we were like usually we were going to Asia or South America, to warmer places. This year, because of our dearly friend COVID, it's not possible, but it's still possible to travel. You can still travel inland, so that's what we are doing. And I really want you, if you want to travel more, to be able to do it. And that's why I decided to do this live to give you 3 tips, 3 things to do today to earn more money for your online coaching business. So let's dive in with first one. And I want you first to take action after so that you really do it. And I would like you so that you remember, and it's the first step to take action, is to comment with what I will say. So the first thing to do is to step into your role as a leader. You have to see yourself as an authority. In fact, you don't have, like, people have to see yourself as an authority. They have to trust you and know that you're the person that can help them. And for this, you have to step into this confidence that you're a leader. You're someone who will help others to solve their problems, their struggle. What's um, what is their problems and why you're the one that can help them. So how to do this? There are several ways that in fact I go into to much more details when I do workshops or when I do my programs with my clients. But one of the way is to showcase your results. So it can be, I was talking about it with Heather last week, but this is something many people come to me with this problem. They are telling me, yes, but I don't have result of clients. I don't have clients yet, or I'm still working with clients. We are still in the middle of the process. Right now, it's too early to have results. The first result usually is yours. You're the one who has got those results. So, for instance, for Heather, you're helping people to lose weight, to feel, I think, more confident in their body, and to be more fit. You're working right now on your new logo, so it's to be more fit. It's about this. Um, you are the best example that it worked. Um, you don't need, as I was telling you, but this is the case for everyone, you don't need to have the perfect pictures of, like, if you are, for instance, a health coach, of yourself before, in front of the mirror, those kind of like pictures before and after. You don't need this. You can have any pictures that shows the transformation. Basically, like, people want to see people buy the transformation. This is what people buy. They don't just buy whatever is included in your program. They buy the transformation for themselves. So where they are right now, what's their problem, what their struggles, and how they will reach the other points. So, for instance, again, I'm taking a Heather example as a health coach. If you're a health coach and you're helping people to lose weight, you can just show a picture of you, like maybe 5 years ago, where you were overweight, and a picture of you right now. I mean, Heather, you have like a great body right now, so you can showcase this, like your change. You don't need to have, but it can be for everyone. Like, for me, what I showcase is how I was struggling before, like working for $5 an hour, teaching online, or I could travel, like even before that, even before starting working online, I was at my 9 to 5. I had to ask my boss how to like go on holidays, when to go on holidays. I had to ask permission. I had no control over my life. And right now I have like control. I'm like working much less because I have higher prices, and I really select my clients, and I can travel whenever I want. I don't need to ask anyone. I just say, okay, I'm going like to what happens this week. Ah, we are supposed to go there. Ah, but we have an opportunity to go here. Well, let's go. Like, let's not think about it. So showcase either the transformation of your clients or your own transformation. Another way to show up as an authority and to really step as a leader and to have people see you is to be visible and to go on podcast, be interviewed, like do those things. I have been doing like those things, and why I do it, because when I did it for my past business, it was perfect. It's the best way to have like high paying clients is to be a speaker, but right now you cannot. So to do those interviews for podcasts, for YouTube, for like blogs, those interviews. I will make it very like short. I will go quickly right now. So I want to because my daughter is crying, and I don't want to her to. She's not alone, but I don't want her to cry too long. So the first one, I want you to comment if you're watching live or watching replay. Comment like, step. I will step into my leader role. I will show up as the authority. I will show the transformations that I know I can bring to my clients. The second thing to do today is to contact 10 people that you know have the problems that you can solve. Uh, this is not being like selling anything. This is just commenting, ask them how they are, ask them if they still have this problem, what have they tried to solve this problem, and if they are looking for ways to solve it, and if they would be interested in knowing more how you could help them. So, but always asking. You don't just say, hey, my program is perfect for you. I know you have this problem, and here's a link to book a call with me. No, don't do this like this. Do it with a relationship and asking questions. Do they want? Do they don't want? 10 people. So I want you to write here in the comments and then to do it. Contact 10 people that I can help today. Okay, those are the people who commented. Those might be people in other groups. Send them a friend request and start building a relationship. Contact them and ask them the question: would you like to know like how I could help you solve this problem? Would you be available for a 15 minutes chat to discuss? This is like first a question, it's a yes or no, and second, it's really to help them. You have, again, like you have to step up. You have to have the confident mindset that you're the leader, that you're the person who can help them. Third thing to do today to earn more money into your business so that you can travel more is to raise your prices. And if you follow me, if you see me in different videos or in the posts, this is something that I say often. And I cannot emphasize on it enough because I know it's a struggle, and it was, as I said, it was a struggle for me. I started working for $5 an hour, and for $5 an hour, it was like I was putting the price. It's not someone who put the price. I chose the price. Why? Because there was competition, and I thought, okay, I will put a lower price so that I have more clients. And at the end of the day, yeah, I had more clients, but I had no energy. At the end of the day, I was drained. I could not do anything. And I don't want this for you. So I really want you to raise your prices. I know it can be difficult, as I said, when I was charging $5 an hour, why I did it because there was a competition. And even for $5 an hour, I was at the beginning, was thinking, oh, will I, this imposter syndrome. Will I really be like able to help them and things like this? Don't have this. Again, step up as a leader and know that you can help people. People are here, they are looking up for you. You have gotten the result yourself or for clients that they want to reach. You are worth it, and your time is worth it. In life, we have two things that most people are like after. Either you use your time or you want more money. But you can have more money or lose more money, but for time, you can only lose it. It's not coming back. So raise your prices, know your worth, and you will work that way with people who really like value your time. This is very important, value your time, and who will do the homework. Because if you like for me, I was French teacher when I was charging $5 an hour, and some people like were very active. They were doing the homework, they were like learning in between the classes, and they were progressing. But some will not. But when you pay higher prices for something, for services, for instance, for you, Heather, if they pay higher prices for your program, for the 6 weeks program or the 12 weeks program that you're doing, then um, they know, okay, I've invested it. They see it as an investment. They don't just see it as a cheap thing that they find on the store. They see it as an investment. They invest it for yourself in their health. For me, when they invest in their lives. They invest because they want to travel more. They want to be able to have this freedom to travel whenever they want, to not worry about the money when they're traveling. It's an investment, but they know that they will have the return on investment, and they know that they will have to work on it to make it work, that they paid because they want those results. So they will really focus on doing everything to reach those results. So this is the third thing. I want you to write it in the comments so that you like embody this new transition is third, raise my prices. I will raise my prices today. Yeah, I really want you to do this. This is very important. So that was the three things that I would like you to do today to earn more money so that you can travel more. If you have any question, put that in the comment. I will be able to reply as soon as I see it. If you have any direct question and you don't want to put it in the comment, don't hesitate to send me a message. I will be happy to help you. If you have any comment on question about how to start or how to really scale and how to earn more money, how to be confident to show up as a leader, as we said, to raise your prices. I know it's difficult. I mean, I struggled to raise my prices. It took me time, but believe me, it's worth it, and it will bring you the lifestyle you want. So if you have any question, as I said, send me a direct message or put it in the comments. And that's it for today. Have a lovely day. And if you want to have more information about my program, my one-to-one program, to help you reach the lifestyle you want and travel more with your family, send me a direct message and I will tell you more information. Bye bye.